short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel of GatheredPlans. I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed that little ASMR intro. I had so much fun filming that, and I'm trying to be a little bit more creative with my videos. I just need to spice it up a little bit for myself and maybe even for you. But I am so excited. Here we have a limited edition fall $2 Tuesday with Gathered Layers by pandabirddesign collab. I am so stoked. This is such a beautiful collection. It's very small, like there's not a lot of sheets, but nevertheless it's stunning, and I'm glad we only have a few things so that way, you know, there is not too much to select from, but every single one is so stunning. Not because I'm biased, but truly I feel like Jess is so talented, and her attention to detail and her creativity, it's just so breathtaking. But I will have all the details right here as well as the description bar below, so be sure to check that out, and let's just dive right in. This is very limited stock. Be sure to check it out and grab whatever you like before the end of the week, because we have no idea how it's going to sell, and we do have a very limited stock. I will have all the details in the description bar, like I said earlier. I'm so excited to share these with you. They are so stunning. Again, this is going to be a $2 Tuesday, and the mini tacos here are going to be available on a quarter sheet as well as a $2 Tuesday sheet. Of course, the pricing will differ depending on the size of the sticker sheet. So let's get started. You might have seen me play around with this. It is so stunning. I'll show you kind of in my planner, or maybe I'll take a picture and I'll put it right here, but I'll show you exactly how this came about. I had a vision that I really wanted a different sticker to resemble like a corner sticker. I don't know if you guys remember like corner stickers way back in the day, but I really wanted something dainty and layered looking to kind of resemble that sticker, like a corner sticker, except I didn't want to feel the need to have to pull in an icon if I didn't want to. Instead, I would pull in like a layering sticker. So this is what I kind of envisioned, and then I played around with it and sent Jess some pictures, and she made it happen perfectly in time for fall. So I love it. This is the OG. It resembles what I did, so I really love it. It's got a mix of the dotted lines as well as the super dainty solid lines. And it's going to be alternating. I believe she's going to mess around with the sizing and do like varying sizes on one sheet. So that's going to be really exciting. I love that. And then this next one is Layered Plaid 2. So this has all solid dainty lines. The thickness of each line varies, which is really nice. And here it is for sizing. At the end of this video, I will be putting the stickers down so you can see. But I feel like these are perfect for fall because it really, you know, resembles like plaid. It's kind of why we came up with this. And then here is the third like plaid layered item. This is so pretty. It's the fall edition with some pumpkins and leaves. I'm so impressed with how she was able to make this come together based off of just like the OG design right here. So really love these three. I hope that you guys love them too. So again, I will have a photo here just in case you're interested in seeing how I played around with the sticker and how you can use this behind icons or just by themselves. I love doing it both ways, and it's kind of a nice take on layering without having to use like florals or something like that. So really beautiful. Next, we have the individual date covers. Here we have this beautiful fall floral one first. So stunning. Obsessed. I also only have rose gold to show you here, but this will be available in all foil colors, including light gold. This one I'm obsessed with. This is Plaid Scallops 1. It is so stunning. You have the scallop foil in the back, and then you have the plaid in the center, and then it's just, you know, clear in the middle. It is so beautiful. You guys, in person, it's even more stunning. I promise you. It looks so good. So this is Plaid Scallop Date Cover 1, and here is the second version. So I will actually put a photo right here of some edits that we did to it, because here, if you notice, the version I have, which will not look this way moving forward, the lines kind of like mesh into the days, but we made that edit, and you'll see a photo right here of the update, and it looks significantly better. So we just had to make some tweaks, and hopefully you like that, and it's so stunning. I love the different versions because I really couldn't choose between the plaid in the center scallop or in this half circle, and I loved both, but she was able to make a way so that it didn't really conflict with the day. So really stunning. They're both beautiful, and again, I will have that reference photo so you can see the difference between the little tweak that we made. So those are the individual date covers, and in this, I'm so stoked. I'm so excited for this. This is the Fall Plaid Mini Taco. Look how stinking cute these are. So this is a take and play on the mini doily tacos that we have in the shop. That's, you know, they're permanently same sizing, but instead it's got the plaid detail. You have it in the inner half circle and then also in the center there, and it's just so stinking beautiful. Again, they're alternating. You will have the option to get a $2 Tuesday size for $2, right? And then you have the option to get it on a full quarter sheet. So pretty. I am in love, you guys. This is probably one of my favorite items. It's so pretty. And then to continue on with the date covers, we're going to go ahead and talk about the date strips. So as you guys know, we have different kinds of date covers in the shop. So we have, you know, like individual date covers that look like this, right? And we created date strips. So I love the idea of date strips. They're very simple, easy to work with, and you can put them down so seamlessly, and it takes no time at all, and it really shaves your date cover deco time in like half. Especially if you do filming for YouTube, it's such a time saver. But this was one of the most beautiful things I've seen. It's so stunning. It's the fall garland doilies. You basically have leaves in the garland, and then we have the very signature doily design in the taco. It's so pretty. I love her rose gold. It's so stunning. I hope you guys can see this. Whoops, so pretty. So stunning. By the way, the planner I'm using is the Sadie Stickers planner. This is kind of what I use to put down stickers and to show you stuff for size reference. It's also the planner, this is the second one, but I have my main one that I do film my planner with me's in. So just in case you want to know for size reference. And this one is the one with the pumpkins and leaves. It is so pretty. Again, that same doily signature taco design. She hand drew those pumpkins. They're so cute. I love them. They are so stunning. Seeing things foiled versus like, you know, a graphic that's done up is just so breathtaking, and to see it foiled is like so different, and it really comes to life. So this is the date strip with the leaves and the trees. So pretty. All the leaves blowing, absolutely stunning. I can't pick a favorite, but if I had to choose, it would be the garland with the leaves. I just love her garland date strips. They're just so stunning, but the pumpkins are also a very close second. So those are the date strips. And then here is the last thing for the $2 Tuesday and plaid or fall collection for the Gathered Layers and pandabirddesign collection. We have these tacos. These are the full-size tacos. They do take up the full width of a column, and we went ahead and just selected this design here that really matches the date covers. It's a scallop taco, just because we felt like it really looked the best with this plaid pattern, and we did this so that way you could also have all three colors for fall. And I love the way the plaid looks with this. It just matches, and it's just a perfect match with the rest of our date covers and mini tacos. So we hope you guys love. Really pretty. We have green, naturally, of course, right? We have a very pretty pink, and then this like terracotta, warm terracotta color. So perfect colors for fall. And again, the plaid, very simple plaid detail in the center there, and then it's of course whited out so you can write in it or layer whatever your heart desires. It is so versatile. So that is everything for this $2 Tuesday and Gathered Layers fall release. I am so stoked for these mini tacos, like you guys don't understand. And then I'm very happy to have these like layered plaid stickers, because I personally want to play with them, and putting it together myself, cutting up stickers and dividers and all that good stuff was so time consuming, and I'm excited to finally utilize these and not have to layer them myself. But we really hope that you love this collection. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some stickers down.
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. You are really in control of things. That is to say, in which computer is almost unpredictable. Doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.